Yo, Grand Rising, let's go hustle family. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Man, I came in here to drop a couple tips, couple tricks, give you guys some game on a couple things. So listen, in the LLC, right? Make sure you're leveraging the LLC training and using it exactly how we taught you guys. Setting up the LLC exactly how that training shows you. Now you have to get a BOI and everything like that. All it is just registering who you are and things like that. So yeah, like as businesses and things change, you have to change with them, right? So that's a given. Make sure your LLC information that you ordered, leveraging the training, right, from the registered agent, make sure that your EIN matches that. And then you're gonna wanna go set up a business bank account with all of that information. There doesn't need to be a training or anything on that. It's pretty simple, right? You take all of your paperwork that you received from your LLC, right? You take all that paperwork in with you to the bank, whichever bank you want to. It could be Chase, Wells Fargo, Truist, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the bank. That's a personal decision up to you. So you take all that paperwork to the bank, you open up a business bank account with that LLC paperwork that you just, damn, they tree low over here? Look, but with that LLC paperwork, you set up the business bank account the same exact way, right? This is the big step you need to take to get all of your paperwork, documents, and bank accounts in line, right? So you can start building up that business. And because it's essential for the funding portion of our offer. So having that in line is only gonna speed up your process whenever you get funded. So don't be confused about the LLC. It's super easy, right? I broke it down. I got a video going over the exact way to do it. So just go through it that way, right? About the LLC, you can leverage the LLC after you go through our credit optimization, right? Get your credit repaired, get all that stuff in line into a fundable position. You can leverage the LLC to purchase the vehicles, right? But all the time, it's not the best move. Sometimes we have different, goals and visions and aspirations that we want to do off of this journey, right? So what I wanted to do was to put about 5 or 6 in my personal, keep them for about 6 months so they can be in the garden. I'll be in the garden for the next 6 months when I have new cars. So once I purchase those vehicles, it's gonna put me in the garden. Well, the reason I wanted to, The reason I wanted to do that is because that's 6 vehicles, right? That's like $300,000 worth of vehicle debt on my personal. You could just hold that for 6 months, right? And then refinance it into your business. Once you do that, your profile's built up with over $300,000 worth of vehicles paid off. So now when you wanna go get that G-Wagon, that AMG Mercedes, the Lambo, the McLaren, you're able to get that because the creditors and the lenders are gonna see that you've paid off $300,000 worth of vehicle debt, even though you really didn't. All you did was refinance it from your personal into your business. So don't be frowned upon if that offer comes, because that's just a part of the offer, right? Like there's multiple ways that you could do this job. There's multiple ways that you can, be on this venture. So that's important that you leverage it to the way that fits you best, right? So don't get too confused on the LLC setup. Set your LLC up the way you see it in the training. When you order your EIN, match it with the same exact information that you're putting on the LLC, so they match. The LLC's address, the registered agent's address, all that information, match that with the EIN, and then boom, you're solid. It's set up your business bank account, right, using those, and then you're ready to go. That's all it is. Don't overthink it and don't complicate it. It's easy, and we have the community for questions. So if you have questions about it, ask in the community in the questions department, and we'll get that answer, out for you. So I appreciate all you guys. Hope you have a blessed day, and go hustle.